Simba TV.
Imagine the Milky Way as a giant pinwheel in the sky. We live inside this pinwheel, which is made of stars and looks like a bright, glowing band across the night sky. That's why it's called the Milky Way. If you wanted to take a really long trip across our galaxy from one side to the other, it would take you a super long time, 100,000 years. That's because our galaxy is so big. And if you wanted to go straight up and down through the middle of the Milky Way, that would still take you 10,000 years. But not all galaxies are the same. Some are big, some are small, and they come in all sorts of shapes. Some galaxies even like to hang out together in groups called clusters. Our Milky Way is special because it's shaped like a spiral, with arms that wrap around like a giant cosmic whirlpool. Inside these arms, there are around 200 billion stars. Imagine trying to count all of them. It's like a twinkling city in space.